I'm obsessed with figuring out how things work. But what happens when the thing you're trying to figure out is the Earth? Our planet is packed with wonders, but some places feel like glitches in the system, mysteries that ignore the laws of physics. From ancient ruins that defy explanation to roads where gravity seems to take a break, these are the places that keep scientists up at night. So get ready for a tour of the world's biggest head-scratchers. These are the 10 most mysterious places on Earth that continue to baffle scientists. And me. First up, Minnesota's Devil's Kettle, a river that splits, with half the water vanishing into a deep hole. Scientists tried everything: logs, dyes, GPS trackers. Nothing ever reappears downstream. It's as if the water disappears into another dimension. Geologists have mapped the area: no caves, no outlets, no explanation. Is it a secret underground lake, a portal? Every logical explanation has failed. Devil's Kettle is a geological magic trick with no revealed secret. It's a plumbing problem on a planetary scale, and the planet forgot to leave behind the blueprints. In Norway's Hessdalen Valley, mysterious lights appear, bright orbs that float, pulse, and vanish. They're not planes, not satellites, and not weather balloons. Scientists set up Project Hessdalen to study them, but even with cameras and radar, the lights remain unexplained. It's not headlights or ball lightning. Some think the valley's unique geology creates plasma, but that doesn't explain the light's bizarre behavior. Every theory falls apart when the lights do something new. It's a beautiful, silent phenomenon that keeps its secrets. Even in our modern world, the sky still surprises us. In Ladakh, India, Magnetic Hill appears to defy gravity. Cars in neutral seem to roll uphill. Tourists flock to experience this anti-gravity spot. Local legends blame powerful magnetic forces, but science says it's an optical illusion. The landscape tricks your brain. What looks uphill is actually a gentle downhill. Even knowing the truth, the effect feels real. The debate continues. Illusion or something more? For anyone who's been there, it's a mystery that feels personal. Deep in Mexico's Mapimi biosphere reserve lies the Zone of Silence, a place where radios die and compasses spin. The zone was discovered after a U.S. missile crashed there and recovery teams' equipment failed. Since then, it's been called Mexico's Bermuda Triangle. High levels of magnetite and meteorite debris might explain the interference, but not its intensity. It sits on the same parallel as the Bermuda Triangle and Pyramids of Giza, fueling speculation. Is it geology or something stranger? For now, the silence remains unexplained. In Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, blood falls pours from Taylor Glacier, a waterfall that looks like blood. Early explorers blamed red algae, but it's actually iron-rich water from a subglacial lake. The water is saltier than the ocean and has been trapped for millions of years. When it hits air, the iron oxidizes, turning the water red. But how does the lake stay liquid in such cold? And how does the water escape? Even stranger, the lake hosts unique microbes that survive without sunlight or oxygen. Blood Falls is a window into a lost alien world beneath the ice. Namibia's fairy circles. Hundreds of thousands of perfect, barren circles dotting the grasslands. The mystery: how do they form, and why are they so perfectly spaced? One theory blames sand termites eating grass roots. Another says plants self-organize to compete for water. Computer models show both could be right, or neither. The circles remain a frustratingly neat mystery. Nature's polka dots still unsolved. In Poland's Crooked Forest, 400 pine trees bend sharply at the base, all in the same direction. The rest of the forest grows straight. Only this patch is crooked. Some say a snowstorm bent them as saplings, but why only here? Others think humans shaped them for furniture or boat building, but the secret was lost during World War II. No records, no witnesses, just a silent, beautiful mystery. On the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, Mount Roraima rises like a lost world. Its summit is isolated by sheer cliffs and shrouded in clouds. Plants and animals here evolved in total isolation. Over a third are found nowhere else. The landscape is bizarre. Black stone, crystal gardens, carnivorous plants. Scientists keep discovering new species, but many questions remain. Roraima is a fortress of stone and clouds, guarding its secrets. In upstate New York, a flame burns behind a waterfall. Eternal flame falls. The logical explanation, a natural gas leak from shale rock. But the rock is too young and cool to produce gas, and the gas itself is unusual. The flame shouldn't exist, but it does. Hikers keep it burning, but science can't fully explain it. A tiny anomaly that challenges big geological models. In Tanzania, Lake Natron's caustic waters calcify animals, turning them into stone-like statues. The lake's extreme alkalinity and heat preserve bodies almost instantly. Sodium carbonate acts as a natural mummifier. Most animals perish, but millions of lesser flamingos thrive here, adapted to the harsh conditions. It's a paradox, a deadly lake that's also a cradle of life. 10 places that break the rules. Waterfalls that vanish, lakes that petrify, forests that bend. They challenge everything we know about science and nature. Just when we think we figured it out, the world surprises us. The questions are, what make these places fascinating? It's the not knowing that drives us to explore. Which mystery blew your mind? Share your theories in the comments. Subscribe for more mind-bending facts. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.